we are very proud to invite Mr. Bimo Adi Prakoso, who is a good friend of mine, to give an international sharing session on AI, catalyst or conundrum. We are also very happy to have the faculties from Trisakti University in Indonesia, who is also joining us today.
Thank you, John. Let's move forward right now.
Looking to upskill for the future?
This new AI can perform all coding jobs in seconds, including blockchain development. While this AI is already outperforming accounting firms. Meanwhile, the new graphic design AI aims to automate graphic design and could minimize the need.
Relax.
And Copilot will immediately read the response out loud.
Certainly. Let's continue our exploration of the elements of art.
Okay, thank you so much, John. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.
Bye.